Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2009 Harley-Davidson Sportster with 19,993 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with 10-inch handlebars, axle caps, aftermarket exhaust, Vance & Hines mufflers, an open stage 1 intake, rider foot pegs, and an LED headlight. Powered by an 883cc V-twin engine, the Sportster puts 53 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.3-gallon fuel capacity, the Sportster has a 130 to 170-mile range. It has a 29.9-inch seat height and a 564-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Sportster will need front turn signals. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the rocker box is seeping oil, and the mufflers are custom-made application, and that the fuel light stays on. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we only point out large areas of damage. We highly recommend looking closely at all the pictures in the listing or seeing the bike in person. There are scratches on the air cover, paint peeling and corrosion on the front fender, paint peeling and corrosion developing on the front wheel, paint peeling and corrosion developing on the side covers, and paint peeling and corrosion developing on the swing arm. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.